Welcome to my channel. My name is Daryl. I'm 63 and I'm basically a do-it-yourselfer. I'm gonna go over various tools that I have in my garage and in my basement. I have some Craftsman, some Ryobi, some even other brands, but mostly Ryobi followed by Craftsman. They've served me well over the years as a do-it-yourselfer, but are they good enough for prime time? You decide. Today I want to show you a new acquisition of mine, and that is a Hercules 4 to 5 inch surface grinding dust shroud. So what I'm going to use this for is trying to use my angle grinder and a diamond wheel, and I'm going to attempt to grind the thin set off the floor. I've been unsuccessful trying to use chisels and demo hammers. It either splits the wood, tears up the wood, or it just doesn't get it off. It bounces off the concrete mastic. So I'm going to install this on my Ryobi cordless, and then I'll get back with you. I don't want to bore you with trying to get this thing out of the package because, well, it takes tools to get it out of the package. All right, we finally got this jewel out of the package. And as I mentioned, it is universal, or it attempts to be universal. They have several fits for DeWalt, Milwaukee. Then the rest of them just say generic. However, I believe it's going to work okay on my tool. We're going to see right now. It has a clamp. And it has a brush guard, I guess you can open up to kind of see where you're going. Then close it back in so that the dust doesn't get out. It's got, seem like pretty good brushes. So anyway, let's see if we can get it on this Ryobi tool. I took the adapter out because I knew that wasn't going to work. All right, it does seem to snap in. So I'm going to lock it. Feels pretty good. I'm going to attempt to put this diamond wheel on that I'm going to be using for this project. Well, unfortunately for me, none of the included adapters are specifically designed to go with the Ryobi tool. So what I've done instead is got it up on the ribs of the tool, and it is secure. It is sticking out slightly, but I believe it's going to work, and I'll show you the results shortly. As you can see, if you're slightly off kilter or you lift up slightly, the dust does escape. I think that's just because this wasn't designed just for my tool, but it is an observation. It does very well if you keep it level. Well, so far I'm thinking that's probably the best $30 I've ever spent. Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Suggest a tool you might want to see. I have links in the comment. If you need the tool, use that link. You might save a few dollars. And also, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel and helps me provide this kind of content. Until the next video, y'all take care.